Jones with a shot. That was tipped and went up into the netting. Nobody saw it. Puck is still up for grabs. That hit the netting, and they've scored. Panarin.
Here's the deflection up high. Everybody looking around. It did hit, but look at, to his credit, he kept going. Bjorkstrand makes the play. Panarin's there on the doorstep. And what a break for the Columbus Blue Jackets. As it falls behind, look at Charlie McAvoy can't figure out where it is. The puck goes off of Krejci right onto the stick of Panarin, and this one's in the back of the net.
And it's not a challenge situation.
Everybody on the ice has an opportunity to talk and see if they saw anything, and the officials have done it. It did hit the mesh, though. We're watching it live. You can see from our vantage point, and this is just a huge break. Have a look at the game camera as it goes up, gets deflected by Tuukka Rask, and you'll see a little right there. You can see the white move just behind, but nobody saw it.
And nothing can be done about it.
Wow, what a break.